Good morning, students. Today we will solve question number 3 of exercise 3C. The question says, observe the following pattern. These two are patterns given in the question. We are asked to observe the pattern. What is this pattern? 3 square minus 1 square equal to 2 into 3 plus 1. So what are you saying? This 2 is coming from these two subtraction. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. And this is the sum of these two numbers, 3 and 1. 3 plus 1. Now, if you want to understand from where this pattern is coming, that I want to explain. This is in the form of a square minus b square. 3 square minus 1 square is in the form of a square minus b square. And we know the formula a plus b into a minus b. Here at the place of a we have 3 and at the place of b we have 1. So what are we saying? 3 square minus 1 square equal to a plus b means 3 plus 1 and a minus b 3 minus 1. What are you getting? You are getting 3 plus 1 into 2. So this came from here. This observation is based on this formula. Similarly, this is also based on the same. Here a is 5, b is 3. This is also in the form of a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b became 5 plus 3 into a minus b is 5 minus 3. So what are you saying? 5 minus 3, 2 into 5 plus 3. So this you got from here. And when you will calculate, that answer will come out. Let us see the question now. So did you understand this pattern? Again I repeat the pattern. This pattern says, this is the subtraction of these two numbers, 3 minus 1 equal to 2, and this is the sum of these two numbers, 3 plus 1. Similarly, this is the subtraction of these two, 5 minus 3 equal to 2, and this is the sum of these two. Now, our first question is, Roman number 1. Now, evaluate the following. 201 square minus 199 square. We will solve on the basis of this process. That process is based on a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. But we will follow this pattern. What is this? This is the subtraction of these two numbers. That became equal to 201 minus 199 means 2. Subtraction became 2. And this is the addition of these two numbers, that is 201 plus 199. Now you calculate 2 into 9 plus 1, 10, 1 plus 9, 10, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4 equal to 800. Similarly, Roman number 2, that is 86 square minus 84 square. 86 square minus 84 square. So the first is the subtraction of these two numbers, that became 86 minus 84 equal to 2, and second is the addition of these two numbers, that is 86 plus 84. Now you solve it. 2 into 6 plus 4, 10, 1, 8, 9, 8, 17. This became equal to 340. Roman number 3 I left for you to do at home. Now question number 4. Again the question is, observe the following pattern. In this pattern we are saying that 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 equal to 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 by 4. First of all, from where these four numbers are coming? 2, 3, 4, 5. From where these four numbers are coming? You see the last one. Here 2, 3, 4. These three numbers are given. We are writing the same 2, 3, 4. You go ahead to write one more number, that will be 5 by how many are 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4. So how much you are getting in the last bracket? You write one more number in the same order in the consecutive manner. Consecutive manner means if here is 4, you write the last as 5. 3 is already there, so I wrote at first 3, and the last will be one more than this last number 4, that will be 5 by 4. This 4 is coming. How many are these numbers? 4 numbers are there, so I wrote here 4. Similarly, we observe the pattern in this 1, 2, 3. 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 equal to how much? You write all the numbers of the last bracket, 3 into 4 into 5, and you write one more number in the same order, in the same consecutive manner. Here is 5, so the next number will be 6. This 3 came as same, but the last will be one more than this, and this 4 came from here. How many are? 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 came from there. This is the pattern. Now in the question what is asked, the question, let it remain. The question is, using the pattern above, find the value. Now we are asked find the value using the above pattern. Find the value. The question is given. That question is 1 into 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 plus 4 into 5 into 6 plus, I write here, plus 5 into 6 into 7 plus 6 into 7 into 8 equal to how much? We follow the same pattern. We write the number at first, the numbers of the last bracket. Here 2, 3, 4, so here is 2, 3, 4, here is 3, 4, 5, so here is 3, 4, 5, here is 6, 7, 8. So I wrote 6 into 7 into 8. One more number I have to write in the same consecutive order. Here is 8, the next number will be 9 by how many are? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I wrote 4. Now solve it. This became 42 into 9 8 ja 72 by 4. These two are divisible. 4 1 ja 4, 32, 4 8 ja 32. Now multiply these two. 18 2 ja 36, 3 and 18 4 ja 72 and 3 75. Now question number 5. Express the following as the sum of two consecutive natural numbers. That number is 17 square. This is the question. We are asked what is the square of this? Write this number as the sum of two consecutive numbers. First of all, 17 square is there. So I got 17 into 17 equal to 249. Now firstly I subtracted 1 from 249. I got 248. Then I divided 248 by 2. I got 124. In the second case, I added 1 to 249. So I got 250. Again I divided by 2. This 250 is divided by 2. I got 125. When you will add these two, 124 plus 125, you will get 249. So 17 square is the sum of these two consecutive natural numbers. Now similarly, see the next question. Roman number 2. Now Roman number 2 number is 43 square. So at first I got 43 into 43 equal to 1849. Firstly I subtracted 1 from this number, 1849. So I got 1848. Then I divided it by 2. I got 924. Secondly, I added 1 to this number. So I got 1850. Again this is also divided by 2. So I got 925. Now 924 plus 925 equal to 1849, that is equal to 43 square. So this 43 square is the sum of these two consecutive natural numbers. Roman number 3. In Roman number 3, the number is 77 square. That is equal to 77 into 77. Multiply this 77 into 77 equal to 7 7s are 49, 4, 7 7s are 49 and 4, 53. Again 7 7s are 49, 4, 7 7s are 49 and 4, 53. 9, 9, 3, 12, 1, 5, 6, 3, 9 and 5 equal to 5929. Firstly, we subtract from this resultant number, that is 5929 minus 1 equal to 5928. Now this number will be divided by 2. This number will be divided by 2. Divide it. 5928 by 2 equal to, we can write, equal to, we are getting, don't write here, write comma, 2 2s are 4, 19, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Now the second, we add 1 to the resultant number. The resultant number is 5929. We got 5930. Again this 5930 will be divided by 2 and we get 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10. So 2964 plus 2965 is equal to 5929, this one, and this one is equal to 77 square. So 77 square is the sum of these two natural numbers. One more question. That is, we take question number, suppose I am taking 7, that is 53 square. It means we will multiply this 53 twice, 53 into 53. In rough we calculate 53 into 53 equal to 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25 and 1 26, 9, 10, 6 1 7, 1 8 and 2, that is equal to 2809. Now we subtract 1 from the resultant number. So 2809 minus 1 equal to 2808. This is divided by 2. 2808 by 2 is equal to 2 1s are 2 4s are 0 4. Now we add 1 to the resultant number, 2809 plus 1. So we get 2810. Now we divide it by 2. 2810 by 2. We get 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 5s are 10. So we write now 1404 plus 1405 equal to 2809 equal to 53 square. So 53 square is the sum of these two consecutive natural numbers. Remaining questions I left for you to do at home.